Hi, this is Jessi with Simply Refreshing Life. We are here because we are going to make some Christmas cookies. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell when we upload new videos.
I have my kids here with me today. We're going to work together. We have Nate over here.
Saw, dude.
We have Adrian.
Hello.
And Vicky.
Hello.
And we're going to make gingerbread cookies. These are not my recipes, but we're going to make it our own. We're going to make the traditional ones. This recipe I found a couple years ago. I think it was a couple years ago, guys, right? When we went to This Is the Place.
Oh,
it was the last year, yeah. And we went into this one home. It's called the Anderson home, and they had Christmas cookies. Remember that? That we were eating the gingerbread men, yes. And they were giving out the recipe. And so I've always wanted to try it, so I'm going to try it today. Hopefully they come out good. Cream the butter. So Adrian, look. The butter, you see these little lines right here?
Yeah.
So the butter has, it says that 4 tablespoons is a quarter of a cup. And then one is half a cup and 1/3 of a cup. So we need 3/4 of a cup of butter. So we're going to cream the butter in here, okay? All right, so we're going to add it here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cream it together. You know what that means, guys?
No.
Yeah, we're going to mix it together until it becomes creamy. This might be the messy part, okay? Oh, you see that? It flew over there.
Yep.
Alright, so where's the spatula? Let's bring, sometimes it comes up, so let's just scrape it down.
Scrape it off this and
No, it's okay. We can clean it after because I'm sure we're gonna. Is it driving you nuts?
no.
OCD.
So Adrian, he's a very clean child. He doesn't like to feel dirty or sweaty. And so he was like wanting to clean already, right? It's okay. All right, so we have our cream, butter, and sugar. And then it says add molasses, egg, and vanilla. So we're gonna add molasses is half a cup. So now, Nathaniel, pour the molasses, half a cup, please. And then we're gonna add the 1 egg. Vicky, add the 1 egg in there. Oh. All right. Go get a napkin so we can, go get a paper towel so we can clean this up.
Okay.
And vanilla. The vanilla is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
This is more than half a cup.
Oh, it's just half a cup.
Yeah, it is half a cup, but it's like 1.5 ounces or something. More than
Go ahead and pour it in here.
Yeah, it looks weird.
Does
it's
it?
like-
That kind of looks like chocolate.
It looks like tar.
Yeah. It looks like dark blue.
But it's hold the cup, okay? So I'm gonna scrape it down. Go ahead, Adrian. So we're gonna add the vanilla now, and that's it. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You smelled it again?
The molasses, I can smell it.
Well, actually, you're not supposed to leave the molasses by itself, I don't think. This is the first time I use molasses, you guys. I've never used them before.
Now it
It sounds like something Australian.
No, it's something that you use here. Look, it's making a really beautiful color. So we're just gonna scrape it down a little.
It looks like peanut butter.
Does it?
It looks
No,
like
no, it's a
chocolate.
little.
It looks like chocolate peanut butter.
Yeah. So you know that the gingerbread cookies are like brown, right?
Good.
And so this is the color they're gonna look like. We still need to add our flour and all that. So we're in the beginning stages. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite Christmas cookie? We like all kinds of cookies. We don't discriminate, right guys?
Yes.
Okay. Next step is stir together the dry ingredients. So we're gonna put this aside. And Vicky, I'm gonna ask you to bring another bowl like this, please. So we can put the dry ingredients like this.
Oh, okay.
Let me just tell you real quick about our cookie cutters. A year ago or so we bought this Ninja, right?
Gingerbread.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we just kept the cookie cutters. They're so cute, look, they're like Ninja. You see?
Ninjas.
So we don't have the traditional cookie cutters, but we're going to make them in Ninja because why not,
You
right?
should have gotten them shooting guns instead of be a real American.
Oh, come on now. So now here, we're gonna put our dry ingredients in. So the dry ingredients are
Cinnamon, baking soda.
3 cups of butter, of flour. So I got just regular white flour, and we're gonna measure 3 cups.
Looks like puffy snow.
Does it? So 1 cup. I hope I have enough, guys, because I usually don't really use this one much.
Cup.
So I don't buy new one because I know I'm not gonna use it a lot. I do have enough, look at that. Okay, so 3 cups. And then we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, so we have the teaspoon that we use here. We're gonna just wipe the vanilla out so it doesn't stick so much. And we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
This one's really dry.
It's good. It's just, the box is not, it's not full, so I have to shake it so it can come out. And that's fine. Okay, so baking soda.
I can't even tell that's baking soda.
Yeah, it is baking soda. And dry ingredient also, we're gonna add some of the cinnamon. Now, I love cinnamon, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm not gonna measure it, but if you wanna measure it, it calls for 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then later I'm gonna add my oils in here. All right, so we're gonna mix this. Go ahead and mix this gently. Okay, Nathaniel, what's your favorite holiday cookie?
Sugar cookies.
Sugar cookies. Those are good. What about you?
Do gorditas count?
Gorditas is a traditional cookie-like, but they're not really cookies. That my grandma used to make, and we make in Mexico, and it's basically like your flour and sugar and cinnamon, and you cook them in the stovetop, and it's really good, and that's his favorite. Every time we go see my mom, it's good. Every time we go see my mom, he asks for his gorditas de azúcar. All right, so we have our dry ingredients, and then it says add to the butter mixture. Okay, so we need the salt actually there too. Hold on. The salt is a 1/4 teaspoon. Do you know why you add salt to cookies, guys? Or to anything sweet?
So it can absorb the flavor.
Yeah, so it can enhance the flavor of the. You were gonna say that?
No, I wasn't.
Alright, so we're back. We're ready to do some baking. We rolled it for about 1/4 of thickness, and then we put our cookies. And we're gonna go ahead and set this up. This is a little thin, okay? And we're gonna set them up here. So as you can see, we have Ninja Men, whatever they call. And then it's okay. And then we have stars, and I think there's a tree somewhere in there too.
The tree's right there.
Yeah. So I am looking forward to trying these cookies because, I mean, yes, we made a mistake, but who knows? They might come out better. Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna bake them at 350 for 6 to 8 minutes. So I'm gonna put the 2 of them in there, the 2 sheets that you see there. So I'm gonna bake them for 8 minutes because they're 2. Or 7 minutes, just to make sure.
So how long did it say?
7 minutes.
7?
I'm gonna cook them for 7 minutes.
7.
Oh, I decapitated this man.
Oof. Okay, he'll be the zombie ninja.
It's because this one is a little thin.
I want to decorate him as the zombie ninja.
As a zombie ninja.
Yeah.
And we're gonna continue doing this until the cookies are done.
No.
Okay, so then we're gonna stick them in the oven at 350 for about 6 minutes. Or 7 minutes then. 7. Okay, decorate our cookies. So go ahead and grab a cookie.
Okay.
It might be warm still, so be careful.
Or soft.
Oh, these are soft. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Well, we use more butter
Chewy.
than.
I said chewy.
And we have just regular frosting here,
Yep.
and we're gonna decorate these cookies.
Yeah, totally.
Yum, Vicky. And there's Adrian. Adrian has a ninja person.
He's making it a zombie.
And Nathaniel.
What? The
They're
zombie?
getting creative
Or the
over
mummy.
here.
I need like something to thin it out. Because that looks like it.
So we don't really have. Oh, that was the parchment paper.
You don't
It's
want
fine,
to
it's fine.
Let me see if I can do this with one hand because I am holding the camera with the other hand. But I just have some regular frosting.
Which is really good.
I'm getting very creative.
Yeah.
I have no clue what I'm making.
Look at Adrian's. Let's see Adrian. Nice. You may not eat all the frosting. We need to decorate more.
I need a
Look at
decorator.
Nate. Let me see, Vicky.
Do we
Oh,
have
Vicky
like...
got a Christmas tree. Yes, you have like a little star, right?
Yep.
I need another dude. I need this one. Or no. This dude.
And so this is our time together, making memories, just
Making
having some
memories.
fun together, and enjoying Christmas. And we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful holiday, whether you're with family, with friends, or wherever you are. Have a Merry Christmas, kids. Can we say Merry Christmas to everybody?
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching.